up, y'all? What's up, y'all? We in the G, man. We in the G that don't got working brake lights. That the AC is currently blowing high shit on my face and I can't turn them off. I got ABS lights on. I got my VDC light on. I got traction lights on and shit. This shit still look like some fucking fire in this motherfucker. But yeah, we going to my man's Justin house to see if he can clean my fuel lever sensor, which is the P0362 code that I told y'all about. The reason why I had the fucking gas tank inside my car to start off with. But yeah, about to pull up on him. This was supposed to have been done like 2 weeks ago, which is the funny thing. It's not funny because my fucking car is damn near cooked, but it's funny because I was busy. Like, I've been moving around extra these last 2 weeks and shit like that. But yeah, it's alright. This shit gonna be good. But yeah, we about to go to Justin's house, record a little bit of that.
Nice.
I just cut that car off. My fault. But it's kind of crazy. I cut him off and I don't have working brake lights, so he probably did not know I was slowing down. But anyways, yeah, he also just bought a whole brand new engine for his G37 coupe. For the ones who know, he let me drive his car actually a year ago from today. I'm gonna put a clip right there. He has an IPO tune, maxed out, damn near tune G, and I drove his car for the first time about a year ago, and ever since then I wanted to tune my car. So yeah, he was really my true inspiration on tuning my car and why I should do it, cause that shit was crazy. And the fact that my shit sound like this, yeah, this shit crazier. I'm about to show y'all his brand new engine that he just got to swap out. Yo, what's good? Wait, hold on, bro. Like, the way this shit sounds should be illegal. Like, this should not be legal at all. But yeah, we at an undisclosed location. I'm gonna show y'all as soon as we get there.
5 minutes later.
This is the one I've been wanting to get since the beginning. 1420, because look, they put the oil cooler and it goes directly. It goes directly up to the gallery gaskets.
Oh, it's right here. It's the oil cooler.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and it goes all the way back.
Check out this one over here. Ain't got none of that shit. It ain't got none of that
right there. Okay,
yeah.
so this is what I got, pretty much.
And then if you look at on the side here, the other oil passage comes up over here and comes all the way over here, and that's what goes to the gallery gasket where it connects in. And this one, or no, this one here comes up right here. That's the oil. This one connects here, right, and it goes right into the gallery gasket.
Okay,
like directly. So it's just cooling it down. Yeah, the gallery, and it's got the upgraded gaskets and hardware too.
Wow.
Wow. Round 3.
What's good, bro?
Well, look, I got the 14 plus. In 2014, they put the oil cooler on there.
So yeah, I already told y'all this is G. Maxed out, super maxed out, tuned by Recipe. He got the Z1, he got the big brake Z1 rotors and shit, the wide body kit that he did himself. All that is probably locked. Oh, it's open. So yeah, y'all, shit's a fucking beauty, man. Got no back seat. Yeah, he's a fiend. He's a super fiend. No cap. Yeah, man. Sure, you got that motherfucker out there. Fuel pump about to get open. Pretty sure you just disconnect this shit right here, but I ain't gonna even feel me. Yeah. I was showing y'all everything earlier. My man's got a G2. This shit right there. We fucking G'd up.
You see, you want to go back and forth because them sensors, they run back and forth, so it slides it. You hear that?
Yeah.
And that's squeaking. That's a film on there. So let's try to get it to stop squeaking.
I gotta get a new fender. They ain't paying. It's getting rusted. I don't feel like paying over that. I know it's gonna come back. So I'm just right now waiting on that.
That's crazy. Yeah, I think I was doing a little bit of research on the code itself. 362.
362.
Yep.
I'm not sure what that means. Look, Google it.
You might have to check that. I was looking at that, y'all.
It also look like the way
P0 362 Infiniti.
like it's doing something.
It's right under half a tank.
What was it doing when you got here? Same thing?
It's dropping down right now. It slowly just dropped down to right above a quarter.
Is that where you should be?
I was at about half a tank.
Well, when you came here?
Yeah, when I came
here. You know that?
Yeah, for sure.
Ride around a little bit and see what happens.
Okay.
You know, see what that does.
Alright.
And if that doesn't work, or it doesn't, because it sounds like it's just trying to stable out.
Yeah.
You know, if it's moving,
Yeah.
then it's not that's where it was when you pulled in. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now it's moving, you know,
Yeah.
maybe stable and where it's supposed to be. So we'll see what it does.
Alright, so
I would still, I know you're scared, but get a gas can that doesn't leak. Gallon.
Oh yeah, I got you.
You got the gallon ones that are red. And you put the top on like
That's what I had.
Fall over.
Oh no, I had an older one.
Oh,
that's what I have now. That's what I have now.
Yeah,
I have one now.
Because I had one. They can roll around and you're good as long as it don't puncture open.
All right.
And I would do that just to make sure.
That's okay.
And I will do it for you if you want.
Sound good. Sound good. So I'm gonna ride around. Appreciate you, bro.
Hell yeah.
And see.
I'm putting my. I'm getting up early tomorrow and putting the engine in. So by tomorrow evening, I should be firing her up.
Okay.
So I'll hit you up. I'll hit you up.
Yeah, hit me up. I should be free tomorrow evening.
All right. Yeah, I'll hit you up.
Should be free.
And you can either come by or whatever. You know?
That's about. That's about.
Yeah, I'm planning to start her up tomorrow.
That's about.
I was going to today, but
in the car that quick already? You're going to get her inside the car that quick?
yeah, man, I'm trying to get everything works out. I'll get cars pumped next weekend. It works very well because I moved it like the day before. I put the bat in. And I put it in gear, and that motherfucker like wanted to shoot forward.
What Y-pipe do you have?
I don't know. That
not a
came
Wi-Fi?
with it, but it's not a factory Wi-Fi.
It's not a factory. Okay, yeah, that shit don't look fat. Yeah,
it has none of the flex shit and all that. Like, yeah, I don't know what kind it is, but it's definitely it's 2.5 inch. You see my my test pipes are 2 3/4, and you can see it goes 2.5, and then it goes 3. So that's my only spot that I need to. I think I'm gonna make that to 2 3/4,
right,
and then go to the 3. I think that would give me probably at least 5 years.
Yeah. Yep. He taught me that, y'all. All you need is that airflow.
Yeah.
More airflow, the faster you go, bro. I gotta see where these bitches is. So, damn, I can't remember that shit. So yeah, my shit kind of crazy. Gas down. I'm ready to just put this a little bit of gas in it and see what it do. Just put a little cool 10 ball and see what it do for real. Cause it went down, then it came back up when it was idling, and then it just dropped back down after I got the car school. Y'all see the What's good, Joe? My detailer about to come, so out of the car and shit before he get here. At least everything inside this damn trunk before he get here. Talk to y'all too as I'm taking this stuff out. I just wanted to pick up the camera because I figured I was going to do this by myself without the camera and shit like that, but I figured that, you know, you guys would have liked to see me do this or whatnot. Let me set y'all up properly. GoPro is not even fully charged. Camera not even fully charged. It just died. I don't know why it's dying, and it's on 50%. It don't make no sense. Don't mind my socks. I know I probably look crazy. You feel me? But yeah, might have just take out a few of this shit that's in here. Now, I know my subs is cooked for real. So. I'm not gonna lie, god damn. Like shit. A lot of shit here is low-key cooked money records. A lot of shit is in here cooked money records. This shit can come off. I'm not gonna lie. What the fuck? There we go. This can come off. Don't need that shit. Cool. This can come out of there. This is my fucking jumper cable. And shit. All these cords and wires. I think this definitely my amp wire. So if we get this bitch right, you hear what I'm telling you. Telling my baby and shit. She currently getting detailed and whatnot. Hopefully we get her fixed and ready to go. She's still running 100%. So I'm in contact with a few people who know electrical and shit like that. I'm gonna say it again. My brake lights don't work. I don't know if I told you that before because I just kind of recently found that out. My brake lights don't work. ABS light on, traction light, slip light on, VDC light on, whatever. Music don't work, screen don't work, and the AC don't turn off. Which is not too bad because I like the fact that it's getting hot and the AC works at least. But yeah, I just can't turn it off and on. But yeah, no bad. That shit is just crazy. But yeah, we gonna push through this motherfucker. This shit ain't nothing. I've been had a great attitude since, for real, for real. I'm not even tripping about this shit, for real. It's just a car at the end of the day. Because, you know, when I'm 30, 40, 50 years old and shit, I'm gonna look back like, damn, I was 22 and I burnt up my shit. You feel me? Like, I burnt my shit to the bone. You feel me? Like, damn, man, for real. Or I burnt my trunk to the bone. But yeah, people telling me I might as well sell it. Don't think so. Not gonna lie, the shit that burnt in the car is actually a lot of weight reduction. Like, I probably just lost like 50 pounds. And I had the subs in the trunk too, so the subs out of there. I'm not putting subs back in that bitch. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, I might just put like 112 in that bitch, or 110 or something like that. Or 210s. Or I put two, alright, let me chill out. But yeah, so that's the moral of the story. Yeah.
You come again.